Good morning, Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through the 2020 21 SPX Outboard. This one does have the optional dual axle swing tongue trailer. We do have the white on white combo with the blue bimini. The optional dune interior finishes it off very nicely. Great color combo. Very easy to keep clean from the saltwater spray. On the back of the boat, this one does have the black Mercury 150 horsepower. Nice ladder to get on and off the boat. Notice this one does have also a ski pylon. The 21 SPX does come with a flip up aft facing seat. Let's go ahead and step into the boat. Very nice entryway. No need to step on a cushion. First thing you're going to notice is a massive amount of seating in the cockpit. This one does have the optional port side flip up bolster helm chair. Cooler underneath on the starboard side. We do also have the flush mounted Simrad electronics, Fusion stereo, moving forward, we're going to see a large bow seating for 3 to 4 people. Cup holders, stereo speakers, a lot of cushions. Come on, take a look. Let's get you out on the water. Patrick Rourke, MarineMax Clearwater. Talk to you soon.